Welcome to our biochemistry channel. Today's topic is classification of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are classified as simple carbohydrates, oligosaccharides and complex carbohydrates. Under simple sugars, it's called monosaccharides. These monosaccharides are further classified into aldoses and ketoses based on the number of carbon atoms and based on the functional group. If the number of carbon atom is 3, it is said to be triose. Example for aldoses is glyceraldehyde and for ketoses dihydroxyacetone. Aldoses means it contains an aldehyde group. For ketoses, it will be having an keto group. If the number of carbon atom is 4, it is said to be, the monosaccharide is said to be tetrose. Example for tetrose sugar includes erythrose and erythrulose. Erythrose for aldose sugar, erythrulose contains a keto group, hence it is a keto sugar. Pentose, it means it contains 5 carbon atom. Examples will be arabinose, xylose, ribose. And for ketoses, xylulose and ribulose will be an example. Hexose, 6 carbon. Examples includes glucose, galactose and mannose. Under aldose category, fructose will be an example for keto sugar. If the number of carbon atom is 7, it is called as heptoses. Example for aldoheptoses or manoheptose. For ketoheptoses, it is pseudoheptylose. Disaccharides. It is made up of 2 monosaccharide units. The general formula for a disaccharide is CnH2n n-1. They are classified into reducing disaccharides and non-reducing disaccharides. What is meant by reducing disaccharide? If there is a free carbonyl group present, means it is said to be an reducing disaccharide. Example for reducing disaccharide includes lactose, maltose, cellobiose. If the free carbonyl group is absent, then it is called non-reducing disaccharide. Examples will be sucrose, trehalose. Oligosaccharides. It is composed of 3 to 10 monosaccharide units. Example includes raffinose, which is a trisaccharide, stachyose. Example for tetrasaccharide. Tetra means 4 monosaccharides. Verbacose, pentasaccharide. 5 monosaccharides are there. Polysaccharides. These are made up of more than 10 monosaccharide units. These are the polymerized products of many monosaccharides. They are further classified into homoglycans or homopolysaccharides, heteroglycans or heteropolysaccharides. The term homo means they are composed of single type of monosaccharide. Example includes starch, glycogen, cellulose. For heteropolysaccharide, it will be made up of 2 or more different monosaccharides. Examples will be hyaluronic acid, chondroitin sulfate. Further, homopolysaccharides can be divided as storage homopolysaccharide and structural homopolysaccharide. For storage, it can be again classified as plants and animals. Starch will be an example for plant storage homopolysaccharide. Glycogen will be an example for animal storage homopolysaccharide. Under structural, examples will be cellulose and chitin. Heteropolysaccharides are also called as glycosaminoglycans. It includes chondroitin sulfate, hyaluronic acid, keratin sulfate, dermatin sulfate and heparin. Thank you for watching this video.